Yay! Amazon Prime. It's heavy. It's like it's heavy. It's heavy. It says heavy work. Time. 11 things. Merry Christmas. Oven mitts. Right, this is Paris Hilton's brand. Because that's hot. That's hot. You like these? We like these. We needed these so the other ones can go in the garbage. Okay. This is what I really was waiting for. In here. Ooh. I got some perfumes. Right, does it say the name? Yes. Carote. Art. Be jacking up these brands' names. Okay. We needed some pots. We needed some pots. So I got a dark pink. It looks kind of purplish pink. What's that considered? Like a magenta? Is that a magenta or like what they say, fuchsia? Oh, and it came with like utensils too. This is nice. And it got his name on it. And the tops have gold top. But I always wonder what these is for. Like, is this to make sure it don't, like, I don't know. Like, what is the purpose? the pots need handles. That's probably what the screws is for. Right, are these all the same size? Ooh. So this has a top already. So we can put that to the side. This doesn't have a top or a knob. Right, so I guess these is extra screws. Hey. Sturdy. She's on. She's on. Okay, so I put all of the pieces on, and I'm gonna lay it out so you can see the set. But I really love it. I can't wait to cook in it. I'm gonna make something today. But yeah. You didn't like my beat? All right. Oh, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna put all the description information and where you can get this set that's on sale. It comes in different colors. I believe like 4 different or 6 different colors. But yeah. Yep. So yes, this is my pink Carote cookware set. And honestly, I will admit I am in love. I wanted something that felt pretty but still functional, and this set does both. It looks so good on my stove. It's pink, clean lines, and it really brightens up my kitchen. But it's not just about looks, right? These pots heat evenly, they cook beautifully, and everything comes out just right. Whether I'm making rice, stew, or everyday meals. I love how lightweight but sturdy they feel, and the cleanup is super easy, which really matters when you cook often, and I cook often. It's one of those sets that make you actually excited to get in the kitchen. And if you're into making your space feel happy, cozy, and intentional, this is definitely a set to consider. I've linked all the details in my description box. so you can check it out for yourself. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.